Right, so today I'll be showing you how to pair and connect your Razer BlackShark V2 Pros to an iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is put them in Bluetooth pairing mode. So turn them off, and then when they're off, press and hold the power button until they go into pairing mode. So press and hold, they're gonna turn on. Just continue holding until you see the light blinking, a blue light blinking like that. That means they're now in Bluetooth pairing mode. So now you can grab your iPhone and go to settings. Under settings, go to Bluetooth. It's gonna start scanning for Bluetooth devices. Just wait for them to detect the Razer headphones. So once they get detected, just tap on the Razer BlackShark V2s and they get connected. It's really that simple. You'll also notice the light will have stopped blinking rapidly and now it's a steady light. And it's really that simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.